Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Bard AI. So the first thing you need to do is to go to the official website which is bard.google.com. Once you are on there and click on try it or try now, it's gonna open you a page where you need to agree to their policy. So basically, in order for you to use it, you will need to agree and then you can continue and basically use it. As you can see, it's going to open you a chat that you can basically ask questions in. So you can basically ask anything you want. So how can I drive a car, how to do something, how to cook something. You can basically ask whatever you want and it's gonna answer you according to that question. You can basically also copy that response and go paste it anywhere. You can also ask it to write you a story and it's gonna write it for you. As you can see, it's currently writing it and here you go, it's almost ready. So yeah, you can just copy it and paste it, use it wherever you want to do with it. You can basically go on and do it. So basically, this is how to use Google Bard. Super easy and simple. You'll just need to go to their official website and that's it.